Hello, my name is Kadian-Baumeyer. Welcome to Critical Issues in Leadership. I will be your course instructor. You're probably wondering, what can I possibly teach you about leadership that you already don't know? Well, that's a good question. Let's see if I can answer that for you. I'll start by telling you a little about me. Many of you have seen me around. I've been with NECI for about 8 years. In fact, June of this year will mark my ninth anniversary as an instructor or facilitator. I have 3 college degrees, one in legal studies, another in management and marketing, and a Master of Science from Thomas Edison State University in organizational leadership and management. Before a career in academia, I was the director of operations for Homewood Suites by Hilton. In that capacity, I ran the front desk, kitchen, and housekeeping. Through the course, we're going to study some of the greatest leaders of our time and even historical times. But this course is not so much about that as much as it's about you. Our discussions will set the tone for the course. You're going to learn from the discussions and your fellow classmates. This is where we'll create a place where we will focus on learning how to ask better questions. And by asking better questions, we learn and understand in more effective ways. We are also going to think about and analyze the real difference between managers and leaders. Managers ask why, leaders ask why not. Before we get into the course, let's talk a little about the expectations. There will be weekly discussions and assignments as well as a final project. This is not going to be a multiple choice question kind of course. Each week, I will begin with a short introduction to the learning activities. Then, you'll apply that along with the readings and come to your own conclusions about leadership. There will be no quizzes or tests. This is completely interactive and conversational. But I assure you, by the end of the course, you will be able to find your perspective on management and leadership has changed. One last note, be sure to review the syllabus, rubrics, and late work policy. This is very important not only for your grade, but as future or current leaders. We set the expectations for our employees and students for those that are educators. It is expected that we model the very behaviors we expect from others. Best of luck.